So we have this question. We can write it as 1 by e to the power x plus 2 by e to the power x plus 2 dx, right? And this can be written as e to the power x by e to the power 2x plus 2 e to the power x plus 2 dx. Now let e to the power x equals to t. So you can write e to the power x dx equals to dt. And this question will be written as dt by t square plus 2t plus 2. Now from here we can write integration dt by t plus 1 whole square plus 1, and it would have been tan inverse t plus 1 plus c. Now this tan inverse t was e to the power x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer.